Most code bases become unmanageable nightmares because developers skip this fundamental pattern. Let's fix that. Layered architecture is a design pattern that organizes your application into horizontal layers, where each layer has a specific responsibility. Think of it like a cake with distinct layers. Each layer focuses on one thing, whether that's handling user interactions, processing business rules, or managing data storage. This separation keeps your code organized and prevents everything from becoming tangled spaghetti. Most applications use 3 or 4 standard layers. At the top, you have the presentation layer, which handles the UI and user interactions. Below that sits the business logic layer, where your application's core rules and workflows live. At the bottom, the data access layer manages database connections and persistence. Some architectures add a 4th layer for domain models or services. Each layer has clear boundaries and responsibilities. Here's the crucial rule. Layers can only communicate with adjacent layers. The presentation layer talks to business logic talks to data access, but presentation never directly accesses the database. Dependencies flow downward in one direction. This creates a clean dependency chain and prevents tight coupling. If your UI code is writing SQL queries, you're breaking the layered architecture pattern. Why does this matter? Layered architecture gives you separation of concerns, making each layer independently maintainable. You can swap out your database without touching UI code. It dramatically improves testability since you can test business logic without spinning up a database. And it makes onboarding new developers easier because they can understand one layer at a time instead of the entire system at once. Remember, layered architecture organizes code into horizontal layers with distinct responsibilities that only communicate with adjacent layers. Master this pattern and you'll build systems that scale. Practice this answer and nail your next interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.